Mummy broke the windlass when we were in Bodrum last time.
Oh, did I? Interesting.
Yeah, broke the windlass, so I need to take it off the motor and check it. Yeah. Got some contact cleaner, so hopefully it's just a little bit dirty. I hope so, because that's the easiest thing. So we better turn it off. So I think, pretty sure, I know, because, you know, it's my boat and everything, but this is where it is. Oh, here comes the engineer. Off, okay. High five. Okay. We have a problem with the windlass. We had real trouble anchoring back in October when we were about to come out of Turkey back to Greece. We were just a couple of days away from checking out. We came across some bad sea and stuff, and we tried to anchor, and for some reason the windlass was really slow, and we just couldn't get the anchor to catch. We really struggled. In the end we had to let it off, but we had real trouble.
No, we just
because it's so slow now. It used to be good. So anyway, previously I've taken all of this apart and checked that it's all clean, which it is, and it moves perfectly fine in my hand. So it's not like the mechanical part is stuck here. This is all clean. So we've checked the voltages on the motor and it's okay. When the battery is fully charged, and for example the engine's running or the battery charge is working, there's enough power there. So I'm hoping we're going to take the motor off and we're going to check the contacts in the motor, and it's going to be dirty. We're going to give it a clean and put it back on, and everything will work.
So you just snap in the chain so it doesn't fall off.
Should be safe in 20 knots. So I've got this. I've got F2 going to the top connector. I've got F1 going to the central. A1 going here. Got the black COM, or we say negative neutral wire on the bottom there. And then I've got to disconnect these 4 nuts, and hopefully that'll just come straight out. All the electric's been disconnected, so that should be good without electric shock and all that jazz. Taken off this clip on the bottom of the shaft, and I've tried to bring the key out, but the key's too long. This cupboard's in the way, so it's only half the way out. So I might find that we need to take this off in a minute, but I'm just undoing. We've got 4 nuts on some studs holding the windlass on here, so I'm just undoing them. We'll see what happens. I got a outboard in the way. By the way, you could just pay someone to do this. What's the fun in that?
Exactly.
Here you'd have to wait 6 months. So the chain is held in place. I can feel this coming down. I don't think it's going to come out with that in the way. It's heavy. Let's see. Right, so that's not coming out.
You won't do that again, will you?
Probably. So I can get the gypsy off.
Test that you can do before you put it on.
Yeah.
Hammer? More?
Yeah. Well, it's heavy.
Well, you want to just look at the brushes, right?
Yeah.
If you die,
Right.
I'll go and come.
Find out if I die. In 3, 2, 1.
Yes, good job.
How could I live without to know? How could I breathe?
Oh, it's big, isn't it? And where are you going to put it? Oh, mess.
Yeah.
Big, isn't it? So what is it again? It's the
That's
gearbox and the motor.
Gearbox and motor. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Is this supposed to come off?
You. Oh, voila. Grease is coming nice.
We give it a clean.
That's what you're here for, right? To clean it up.
Yeah. Baby, this
me
is
just
what
take
we
a
came for.
Quick before and after.
Yeah.
Okay. Mucky muck. Ooh.
So we've got 4 brushes, one here, one here, one here, and one here. All I need to do is unscrew this, and then we should be able to release this spring here, and they should come out.
What's that? It's a brush?
That's a brush, yeah.
That doesn't look like a brush.
Well, like a broom. To me that seems like it might be quite short.
Will you specify in instructions the size of it? What, do you think you want one out?
Possible.
What does this thing do then?
This is the contact for the electricity.
Oh, okay.
So it sends pulses of electricity, and it's got like a magnetic field that's created in there, in the windings, which generates a spin, north and south poles and stuff. Well, let's get the other ones out, spray it with the cleaner, and then put it back together now. The installation, it doesn't say the length.
So all of them out, are they?
Yeah.
All 4?
I hope it works after this. Well, I hope it's fixed.
Well, they're definitely coming out.
Well, we had the boat for only 6 months, right? But I don't know when they serviced it last time, and I don't know if this is going to fix it.
I'll have faith.
Put it back on again, wham, really quickly, fast. At the end of the day, it's still got, there's still, you know, material left.
Yeah, there's still
Right.
contact.
Exactly. Maybe one wasn't making contact. I really do hope that it's.
This must work. There's no other way around.
Check to see if the channel has got any. They don't know anything about it. We have to go and find some random little shop. We got a short one and 2 slightly longer ones. It's a bit short. We need to find some more. But we've built it back again, and we're about to find out whether we set the boat on fire. It's hard to tell. We need to put it all back together.
Yeah.
Because the gypsy is bigger than that is.
Yeah.
We'll have to see. I mean, that's the only way to find out, right? Rebuild it all.
Yeah, okay, let's put it back together. So the windlass is back together. Yeah. It's faster.
Faster, is it? Definitely?
I think it is.
Hooray!
Do you not think it is?
I think it is, yeah.
It is faster.
Yeah. Yay! High five! Yes! Success!
For now, until it breaks again.
All I know is that's a success. If that, I don't know. I don't remember, but I think it's faster, right?
Do it again. I like it.
It'll break now. It's definitely faster.
Okay, and down again.
Definitely faster.
Very noisy.
One job down, we can go in the water now.